my viewers. Last time we ended it, we just got in the Vale of Tears. Okay. So here I go. Let's over here. Oh, whoa, hello, house. See. Oh.
You're part frog, Alice, I swear. You jump
So well. Oh, I did it. Oh my god, is it lagging again? What is that? Oh, whoa, hello. Okay. Go. Damn it. God damn it. Oh my god, I fucking hate these dominoes so much. Hell yeah. Okay. Crap. God dang it. Shit. Okay, I hate these fucking dominoes. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Stupid set on the other side. Do I have to fight that thing? No, god dang it! God dang it. God dang it. God dang it. Dang it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Okay. God damn it. Fix the lag. Okay, I'm gonna fix the lag. That works. Where the hell is my mouse? Okay, it's better be fucking... Oh, so much better. God damn it. Help me God if it lags.
You're part frog, Alice, I swear. You jump so well.
God damn it. What the hell is that? I like her boots. My god. Oh my god. Okay. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, hello. Goddamn dominoes. Let's do this shit. I hate it when my fucking... Damn it! Okay. Maybe I can like get up here and play him. Damn it. Out of my way, you fern! God damn it. So help me God. Okay. God damn it. Ah! Oh. Oh. Okay. Do this shit. Okay. So help me! Ah! Fuck. Fuck. Oh. Dominoes are the hardest thing I ever fucking done. Swear to God. Damn it. Oh, damn it. No, damn it. No. God damn it. No, God damn it. No. Ah. Shit. Yeah. Alice is all up in my grill. Okay. 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 Nope. God damn it. Alice, you retard. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no, damn it, no! Ah! Fuck these dogs. God damn it. No. Damn it. Okay. Oh my God, are you serious? Oh my God, this is the lab's fault. Oh my God. There we go. No. Yes. Good Alice. Good Alice. Good Alice. No. Bad Alice. No. No. Okay. Alice, you dick. Ah. God damn it. God damn it. Ah. No. No. God, I'm probably gonna cut all this out. I swear to God. Alice, let me show you. I'm gonna fry you on a barbecue. Take your dress. Like loot you like in Skyrim. No, god damn it. God damn it. Okay. Hey look, the lag is going away. Oh no, I was totally wrong. Okay. No. Okay. No. No, god damn it. The whole video is probably gonna be me doing this. I swear to God. I'm getting so pissed right now. Okay. Oh God, thank you. Yeah, just. Oh my God. Better fucking make it. Oh my God, thank you. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh God, what is that? Okay.
If you leap from that table again, Alice, I'll fire. You're 2 times too reckless, my girl.
My God. Oh, what, did that hurt? I don't see a life bar. No, shit. God damn it. I swear to God, these mushrooms are gonna be under me. Okay. Honestly, Jesus Christ. Oh. Okay. Hello. Oh, never memory. Whoa. Key lock. Cool. Lock.
Amanita muscaria, Alice, is merely a stinky toadstool.
Ew.
A spongy consistency,
But poison.
poisonous.
I can't. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hell yeah. Oh, hello. What is this? Whoa, what is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? And off I go. Oh, hello. Drink me. Okay.
I've been down this road before. Good things in small packages?
Oh.
Though lacking a bathing costume, a plunge in that pool is in order.
My God, I'm shrinking in this potion. Shall I disappear?
Almost. But the upside is that while smaller, you can see things that are nearly invisible to your bigger self.
Oh, really?
Ah, I get it. Quite. Forests for the trees. Just the other way round. Short-sighted is more than a matter of perspective.
Oh. Okay. Oh, like a needle. Left control is shrink. Okay. Needle. See.
Look how small she's become, all curled up. She's barely there. A vixen in her hidey hole.
Hidey ho. Hidey ho. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, maybe I should go in here. Oh! That's cool. What is that? Is it a basket? Oh, what am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Holy shit. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Am I getting bigger? Oh god, I'm getting bigger, I think. And, oh, hello. Jump. Ooh, what do I do? Ooh, it's a cute little flower. Oh god! Ah! 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 What just happened? Oh, teeth. Two teeth. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What is that? Oh, Jesus, what is that? Oh god, scary music, what's happening? Teeth. What's happening? What's happening? What is that? What do I have to kill? Oh, did that hurt? What do I... What's happening? What? Can I get... What? Shake? Where am I going? I'm going... back over here. Stop. God damn it. Okay, I gotta go back in here. Oh, oh, wait. Damn it, I hate these controls. God damn it. Well, what the hell's happening? Ugh. What's that? Okay. Diddy. The hell am I? Okay. Ooh, blue. That's new. There's a fucking... What the hell am I doing? Whoa, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? That's wood. Yikes! Ah! Oh. Hello. What happens here? Oh, this looks fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh shit! 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 What am I doing? Shit! My turn? Shit! Shit! Oh! I gotta freaking pause this. Oh! Okay. Goodbye, my viewers, and click the annotation. Watch the next video. Goodbye.